Hello and welcome to another episode of Latest Update. The topic of discussion is COP29 Climate Finance Initiative. Azerbaijan will be hosting COP29 from 11th to 22nd November 2024 in Baku. The event will focus on finalizing a climate finance agreement for the post-2025 period. Azerbaijan announced the launch of a new Climate Finance Action Fund. The fund aims to address climate change in developing nations through voluntary contributions. It is part of a broader set of proposals Azerbaijan plans to include in the COP29 outcomes. Main agenda of COP29. The primary goal is to finalize a climate finance agreement for the post-2025 period. Rich nations have been required to raise at least $100 billion annually for climate projects since 2020. The Paris Agreement mandates an increase in this fund after 2025. Negotiations over finance targets are ongoing with multiple meetings planned before COP29. Details of the Climate Finance Action Fund. The CFAF will operate once it has a corpus of $1 billion and commitments from at least 10 countries. Half of the funds will finance climate projects in developing countries. The other half will support the implementation of national climate action plans. It will join a long list of climate funds, many of which currently face funding shortages. Now it's time for the practice question. Where will COP29 be held in 2024? New Delhi, Baku, Copenhagen, or Paris? Send us the answer in the comment section. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.